How can you open this open PowerPoint and just add the text over the images? It's simple. First of all, let's talk about PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a powerful software for building presentation by Microsoft. It helps you to make crazy presentation, animation and stuff for your working professional and stuff. How can you use it? Just go to this page. I can see you so then screenshot. You can see the eyedropper tool, and the dropper tool present only in the latest version of PowerPoint. Here you can add your text, as you can see in the screen. Now the box contracts and text is readable, but we can't leave it that way because it's too violent. Now you can just add rounded parts, images, and now you can even add different design. You can see on the screen, that's totally up to you. You can add curve tools and different stuff. So this is how you can add text over the images in PowerPoint. PowerPoint is an amazing software by Microsoft to help you create slides and presentation for your business professions, your game, your stuff, your different working environment, for your job. There's a lot of things.